Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find the x value solution. 7 power 1 plus x plus 7 power 1 minus x equal to 50. Here we are going to apply this express identity that a power m plus n equal to a power m times a power n. Also, we are going to apply another express identity that a power m minus n equal to a power m by a power n. This two express identity we are going to apply here. So we'll get here 7 power 1 times 7 power x plus this 7 power 1 by 7 power x equal to 50. Now let us assume that 7 power x equal to m. We are going to apply this m here. So 7 power 1 is 7 times m plus here 7 power 1 is 7 by m equal to 50. Now do cross multiply here. We'll get here m square. 7m square plus 7 whole divided by m equal to 50. Now moving this m right hand side, so we'll get here 7m square plus 7 equal to 50m. Now moving this 50m left hand side, so 7m square plus 7 minus 50m equal to 0. Now 7m square plus 7 minus 50m equal to 0. Now this is 7m square minus 50m plus 7 equal to 0. Now this minus 50m can be written as minus 49m minus 1m. Now we are going to apply this here. So 7m square minus 49m minus m plus 7 equal to 0. Now here we are going to take 7 and m common out, so that 7m open bracket we have remaining here m minus this is 7. Here we are going to take minus 1 common out, so minus 1 open bracket m minus 7 equal to 0. Here m minus 7 common, we are going to take that out, so m minus 7 remaining we have 7m minus 1 equal to 0. From this we have two equations. One is m minus 7 equal to 0, other one is 7m minus 1 equal to 0. From this m equal to 7, from this 7m equal to 1. This can be written as m equal to 1 by 7. Now recall this. Recall 7 to the power of x equal to m. Now applying this m here, so we'll get this value 7 power x equal to m is 7. Now consider here in the power 1. So according to this express identity, which is a power m equal to a power n. So m equal to n. This we are going to apply here. So we'll get here x equal to 1. This is the x value. Now applying m equal to 1 by 7. So we'll get here m is 7 power x equal to 1 by 7. Now, as per this express identity, 1 by a power n. This we are going to apply here. So, 7 power x equal to 7 power minus 1. Consider we have 1. So, we'll get here, according to this express identity, that a power m equal to a power n. So, m equal to n. So, applying this here, so we'll get x equal to minus 1. This is the x value. Now, we have x equal to 1 and also x equal to minus 1. Now, we are going to verify this x value with the equation 7 power 1 plus x plus 7 power 1 minus x equal to 50. Now, applying this x equal to minus 1 now. So, we'll get 7 power 1 minus 1 plus 7 power 1 minus 1 equal to 50. Now, this is 7 power 0 plus here 7 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 50. Now, 7 power 0 plus here 7 power 2 equal to 50. Now, a power 0 equal to 1. Applying this here. So, 1 plus 7 square is 49 equal to 50. So, here 1 plus 49 is 50 equal to 50. So, LHS equal to RHS. This is verified. Now here we are going to verify for x equal to 1 in the equation that 7 power 1 plus x plus 7 power 1 minus x equal to 50. Applying this x here, so 7 power 1 plus 1 plus 7 power 1 minus this 1 equal to 50. Now 7 power 1 plus 1 is 2 plus this is 7 power 0 equal to 50. Now, as per this is 1. Now we are going to apply this here. So here 7 square is 49 plus 1 equal to 50. Here 49 plus 1 is 50 equal to 50. LHS equal to RHS. This is also verified. Thanks for watching this video.